If your Keurig K-Café coffee maker keeps shutting off unexpectedly, it usually indicates a minor issue with power supply, water flow, or internal safety protection. Modern single-serve coffee machines include automatic shut-off features that activate when the system detects overheating, low water levels, or brewing interruptions. While this can seem like a malfunction, the cause is often something simple, such as a clogged needle, empty reservoir, or loose power connection. With a few quick checks and a reset, you can typically restore normal brewing performance in just a few minutes. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the coffee maker and unplug it from the power outlet for about 1 minute to reset the system. Step 2. Check the water reservoir and refill it with fresh water if the level is low. Step 3. Remove the K-cup holder and clean the needle area to clear any coffee residue or blockage. Step 4. Ensure the power cord and outlet connection are secure and providing steady electricity. Step 5. Plug the machine back in, power it on, and run a plain water brew cycle to confirm normal operation.